Good morning. Today we're going to flash the FrSky receiver with the X-Lite transmitter. This is just a quick follow-up video to my FrSky macro receiver roundup. There are many reasons why you would want to update the firmware. So you might want the latest and the greatest, or you might want to switch from the international version to the Europe version, or you might want to switch protocols from the latest one, Access, to the older one, XT. And in my case, I just want to get the F-port version of the firmware. There are many ways to update the firmware, but I think using the transmitter is probably the easiest. So first, we download the firmware from the FrSky website. We look for receivers here. And we look for the RXSR. Here. And then we look for the downloads. Here. So here are the manuals, the Access firmware, the regular firmware, and the F-port firmware. We'll get the latest. Okay, so it's done. Let's unzip it. So there are two files. The first file is the international or FCC version, and the other one is the Europe or LBT version. So for our purposes, we'll be using the international version. So you will need the receiver and this firmware update cable. Take note that this is not an S-bus cable. As you can see, the yellow wire goes to the S-port pin. This cable is only used for firmware updates. For wiring to the FC, you actually use this cable. So for the XM and the XM Plus, you need a similar cable. This one. Basically, it's just a servo connector, and then you solder it this way. There. So S-bus, 5 volts, and ground. The important thing to note is that you have the proper wire order. So you have S-port, 5 volts, and ground. S-port, 5 volts, and ground. So we'll just plug this in. We've copied the firmware to this micro SD card, and we'll just plug it in. And then we'll plug the firmware update cable. So take note that there's this notch here, and it corresponds to the S-port wire. In this case, the yellow S-port wire. So we go to the radio setup, SD card. We choose the firmware file and flash to S-port. And that's it. The receiver has been flashed, and it now has the F-port firmware. Thank you for watching.